is up? I'm Gears of Snore, and this is Glenwood Road. And this is my 2024 Pan America named Big Sheila. Say hi, Sheila. We're out here on this lovely day laying down some miles. Beautiful Sussex and Frankfort, New Jersey. This road should run us into Warwick. It is a great ride. If you're old enough, run to the fridge and get yourself a libation. Nothing like the smell of fresh cow manure in the afternoon to really wake you up. This really is a fun road to ride. Pretty crazy. Beautiful weather, beautiful scenery, beautiful motorcycle. And right. Yeah, some of these houses up here, boy, they are nice. It's be quiet at night, I tell you. It's almost like we slow it down. Thank you, sir, for that warning. That means there's a cop ahead. Sneaky, sneaky. Are you guys enjoying your summer? Have you gotten the ride? It's been doing nothing but raining here. It's nice to do it on the weekends. There he is. That's a good spot, sir. Or ma'am. Good thing Big Sheila wasn't laying down that sound of freedom. I gotta stop here at this lamppost inn. Must be doing something right. It is always full. Yeah, I'm surprised I haven't been down this road in quite some time. Like I said, one day maybe I'll come down this road with a Miss Gears of Snore on a bike of her own. You can really rip around these corners. I just don't trust blind corners up here. Not only do you have to watch out for Sam Squanch, you have to watch out for Man Bear Pig.
I'm talking, of course, about Man Bear Pig.
More concerned about deer. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at how many corners there are in this. Changes in grade in the road, and this is a really fun ride. If you just come to do this road. you. You never know. If you like my videos, if you give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. Man, I love this bike. We ain't going that way. We're going this way. That'll take you to Vernon, Route 94. This is going to take us to, I think, Warwick. I could care less. I mean, I'm on my bike. That's why they say wind therapy is the best therapy. I think this video may drop on the 4th of July. So if you're watching this, Ray, happy birthday. Congrats on turning the big 21, brother. If it drops after that, well, happy belated birthday. I literally have like 4 or 5 months worth of videos. Be prepared for if we have another crappy winter. This winter was only like 2 months of hell, right? But it just snowed enough every couple of days that you couldn't do shit. Normally I don't winterize my bike, you know. What's the point? You're gonna get 40-degree days. Hell, if I'm itching and it's high 30s, I'll jump on the bike, I'll friggin' ride a mile down to the park and come home. If I remember correctly, there's a nice curve down here. Oh yeah, we're gonna slow it down. Ain't going into that one hot, boy. Friggin' right to that guardrail. Bing bang boom.
Bing bang boom.
Nothing but greenery for miles. This guy's got the right idea. He's out here friggin' tearing it up on an XR. I think that's the small street legal one. I bet you that thing's a lot of fun. Day. Clear skies, perfect temps, good riding. You can smell summer in the air. The crackle of that Vance and Hines exhaust. Vance and Hines, rather. Good times. So, motorcycle trips. You guys taking any this year? In August, I'm going to Virginia. I can't wait. Some state forest we're going to. I'm taking the camera. I'm bringing extra memory cards. Hoping to get a couple of videos out of it. Well, I don't think that car is moving anytime soon. I swear, sometimes I ride this thing still like I'm on the lowrider ST, shifting around 4,000 RPM, knowing that I'm good till 9,000. I think we take a left here. See if they got their fresh pies sign up at Pochuck Valley Farms. Yep, homemade pies. That way. Tell you what, if I saw a sign that said sweet potato pie, we'd be stopping. Love this bike. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. If you like this one, make sure you tune in for the next one. Appreciate you guys.